Hi man, welcome to my video of about how we can learn faster than anyone. How we can learn faster than anyone. So this is a thing I learned today, and I want to show you. I want to teach you about what I learned. It's gonna be useful. So how we can learn faster than anyone or whatever skill you want to learn very faster. And I want to talk about first the interest. You must have an interest about. You must have something interest about that topic. You need to be interest from that topic about that topic. For example, if you are not interested about this video because you enter this video because you are interested, so that's super cool because you are going to learn more faster. Because most of the people learn because it's obligation. For example, it's a number one. Is this is a normal one problem have this society when about when have to when it's about interesting about thing is the school because when when you learn you don't like but right you don't like school for that you don't learn nothing about the school. For example, me, I used to be from Cuba. I'm from Cuba, and I used to be there, and I don't like school. I didn't like school in that moment. Really, I like it right now. I like it because I have to study and I have to have that mentality about I need to study and I need to learn. You know, it's like change you believe. So I didn't like the school in that moment, and when teacher talking when the teacher spoke, I didn't pay attention. So my mind like don't understand basic things right now in the present moment present. So that is the problem. So I want to tell you is be interested, change your belief. How we can be interested about the topic, change your belief. I think when you change your belief, you're gonna be more interested about that topic. And what does I mean belief? What means belief is like, okay, I believe this, I take action. What I believe. When you believe something, you take action, right? So if you believe this is you like to study, you're gonna study a lot. It's a mindset. It can apply. It can apply for whatever, you know. So the thing I want to tell you is before before to learn something, you have first think before to write something because notes like we always take notes always in the school whatever we are learning right now. You are maybe taking notes about me, maybe no, I don't know. Notes don't work, doesn't work, and I want to tell you why it doesn't work. Because it's a linear, you know. Linear is so bored, so like I don't like this. But when you are taking notes, no linear, it's like a map. Like you connecting this information with this another information, this another information, and you draw figures to understand more the topic. You are not writing like a big text about one thing. You are writing one word because it's your mind. Your mind is keeping. It's your mind. Like your mind is it's your mind. Your mind is taking the note for you. Like if you only take like for example, you put only a word and you understand, you comprehend whatever thing you learn. When you read that word, every information is gonna come from your mind from that word. So for example, if I tell communication and I associate that word with another word is, I don't know, listen, for example. So I learned like if I listen, I'm gonna be a better communication. But not only that, I'm gonna be, and I associate the listen to with the speaking. If I use both, I'm gonna be the best communicator. So whatever when I think about when I think when I think about communication, I'm gonna think about that few words. So that's why it's so interest and take notes is so about take notes. So take notes about no linear, And before you take notes, first think. You have first think. Like because everyone at this I see this problem with myself a lot of time. Ton of time, bro. Promise. And for example, when I was in school, I didn't like to think. I didn't like to think about problems. I didn't like to think about solutions, you know. So I prefer to take notes and don't think about it and let it go. And that's what's the problem. I don't develop a strong mind, to think only by myself. And it's worse when we have a idea. Idea is work to not think about ourselves. For example, I was watching my videos and analyzing my videos from idea, but I don't use my critical thought to analyze my own videos, because I think when you use your own mind first for everything, you're gonna develop more your mind, and and you are going to learn more, and that is about learning, right? You are here for learn. So use your mind for everything. When you are creating information, when you are connecting, you are rebuilding about the information, you got it. No, you got. So for example, if you got the information about, I don't know, the bottle is filled. It's a stupid example, but for example that. And now you got the information, the bottle is empty. So you change the information, you rebuild the information for another one. It's like when you are getting new information, you have to change the new information. It's like hypothesis. You have to taste, and then what works and what doesn't works. You got it? So that is all about. I think it's all about. And steps I'm going to recommend you is first, pre-learning. When you are going to learn something, do pre-learning first. Pre-learning, what does that mean? Pre-learning means before you are going to learn something, take a guess. Like, what is this a video about? And write everything you guessing from your mind. Oh, this video is gonna be about this. And then those are your hypotheses. And then you only have to see what mistakes or what things are not there, and you're gonna learn more, because it's like you are seeing your mistakes, and when you see your own mistakes, you learn more. So simple, right? And read. The second step is read. So read 15 minutes. Do the thing I already told you is map your mind, whatever the information you learn it. First 15 minutes reading, mapea, take notes, and then read again. But first, remember, think before taking notes. Okay, so that's a bit about. I hope you like it.